Is it red? Solid red?
No. What are we doing? Electrical control box round 2.
Is it?
It's solid red.
Okay, good.
You good?
I'm doing what I did last
Yeah, it's gonna happen sometime.
Pretty much just kind
You
of.
okay? Yeah?
I went on my own and I kind of.
We're doing blue. Blue.
I tried to do it from the inside of the building, like switch it.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
It switched for a second.
What's
I
that?
know what I'm good at now. Kevin's behind me shooting.
What's that?
I'm good at Kevin.
Well,
I got all the way up
we
to
start somewhere.
that wall right there. I got all the way up to that wall.
So when you came with me, did you get killed?
I don't want to contract. I was back.
You got killed?
It was you. Yeah.
What's that? Is it what?
I didn't want to contract.
No, it's not doing anything.
Is it solid red?
It's off.
I pulled it down and ran right behind the building and in the got shot right.
Or is it solid red?
Solid red.
Okay. There we go. Let's start.
And I got all the way up to this wall right here.
It's not doing anything.
That's when I got shot.
What?
Solid red.
You're still what?
On my first match.
Yeah. All right, let's get ready. Get it! Go, guys, go!
Getting a false started. He was way out of the line. I'm gonna shoot him.
All right.
Can I shoot him?
Yeah. Actually, come here for a second. We need to check him at some point.
I will.
Okay.
This people are calling it with this now, and I'm liking it.
That's one of the reasons I like it.
People are calling it immediately, and it's funny.
Go ahead. All right, go. Go up. I'm gonna take my shot at him. I didn't. That was not me.
Good.
I don't have.
You got guys over here. Let's go.
Oh fuck! I'm sorry, bro. Tobin, go! Tobin, get that light now. Oh shit, that's Dalton. Fuck! Shoot that guy. I could have got him, but I didn't shoot at him. Oh, you gotta be kidding. What the fuck? This is bogus as hell,
We gotta
bro.
watch this way now. We gotta watch this way, Tony.
I got it. I'll go that way. He's right here on the corner of the power building. Yeah, right there on the corner. You see him? What's your brother using?
Hey, he's behind the light.
He's taking a break? Okay. Heads up. I got you. You're good.
Thank you.
Yep. I got it. I gotta do an administrative. Shit. You cover your own 6. You good, Nick? All right. Yo. Tobin. Come here. Move, 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 move.
Hey, Tony, I'm a power builder right here.
Go with him. Go by him. Nick, move it up. Nick, move. All right, you guys got this? Yep.
There's two right in front and then one in column. Johnny, keep watching this.
Oh, fuck, man. Not a time to run out of gas. Fuck. I got one in the doorway. Oh, shit, they changed it. Tobin, you're gonna have to do it, man. Get down.
Watch our right, watch our right.
Roll to the side. Keep rolling, go. Get down. All right, Tobin, go around this way. Go around the other way and get that fucking color. They're pushing hard on the left. Go, I need you to get that. Oh, sorry. I got the guy at the door. Fuck, man, you need to get that light back. Oh shit, that's not good. M4 mag, you got one? Go. Do your thing. Oh shit, that's not, oh shit. Hurry up guys, hurry up. Where the hell did you guys get shot from? Ah, sorry man. Yeah, buddy! Oh man, I just murked like 3 dudes. That was awesome. Go, Tobin, get that shit. Tobin, make a run for it, man. Fuck. Good try, man, good try. It. Ow! Oh fuck, I would have had you. I was empty. That man coming out! Ow!
I wasn't paying attention when I reloaded.
Oh, I hate that.
I go to fire, the slide locks back.
Oh, you're like, fuck my life. Yeah, I'm empty on this one.
My hands today are just getting
Lit up.
mutilated.
Cool. Let's go. You sure? Far door? Far door or in the front room? Tobin, far room or close room?
Thank you.
Oh, you cunt. Dead man crossing! Yeah, then stop using it. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down and go to pistol. That's where you're at your prime here, then use it. Alright, there is a guy in there. He got me. You want to go get him with me? Push it. Dalton, where were you?